Hello everyone, welcome to my second travel vlog and I'm all packed as you can see, and obviously my partner in crime is going to accompany me in this trip. Let's go and talk to him. Hi!
Hi,
Okay, I know you're camera shy, so just three questions for you. Where are we going?
Udaipur.
Where are we going?
Tomorrow.
And how excited are we?
No words.
You don't look excited. Not
I'm
at
just-
all. Okay, so Shakti is camera shy, but it does not mean that he's not excited. We both are extremely excited. So, yes, good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Yay! So, we are at railway station and we are waiting for our train. It shall be here in a couple of minutes. And I'm definitely very excited because there's always something really beautiful about train journeys. What do you say?
Yes.
Yes. So we have reached Udaipur and now we are heading to our hotel. How do you feel about the city?
It
Vibe?
is very clean.
Clean, okay, very clean.
Very clean.
So this is the hotel that we are living in and the place is so peaceful. Okay, so it's our day one in Udaipur, and we are actually keeping this day to rest. Like, we're gonna chill the whole day. So, yeah, we reached early in the morning, we rested a bit, we had our breakfast, and I had some work, editing work. I completed that, and now it's time to take a dip in the pool. So, let's go. Okay, so we had a good pool session and we took shower and now we are super hungry. So it's tandoori momos and chili potato. It's yummy. Okay, so we have rested enough and now we're all ready to move out. And where are we going?
I don't know.
We have no idea as always, but yeah, we'll figure out on the way. So yeah, let's go. So we were really confused where to head first. So we decided to come to
Fateh Sagar
Fateh
Lake.
Lake, and let me show you. It is just so beautiful. Oh my God, we did speedboarding. It was crazy. How was the experience?
मजा आ गया मेरे को तो.
Crazy man, crazy. बहुत अच्छा था, very exciting. Something that you should definitely try if you visit Udaipur. Like, now we are at Wax Museum and let's see what we have in there. So this is our next stop. Okay, so this place doesn't really look exciting to me. Let me show you around. बेबी सहेलियों की बाड़ी में सहेली मिली?
सहेली अभी तक तो नहीं मिली है.
आप ढूंढ रहे हो?
नहीं, आपकी सहेली
What
ढूंढ रहा था
are
ना.
you even
आपकी
saying?
आपकी 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 मेरी नहीं, मेरी कोई सहेली नहीं है.
So it's basically time for me to hydrate myself, and what's better than sugarcane juice? So next stop to explore is Lake Pichola, and I'm standing right in front of Lake Pichola. Let me just show it to you. Okay, so we have already experienced speed boating. Now we're gonna experience slow boating. So let's go. Okay, so I had a really good experience. What about you?
It was amazing.
Okay, so it's day two in Udaipur, and last night we just came back to our hotel and we dozed off. We were so tired. Also, it's my birthday today.
Yay!
Sole reason why we are here. And yeah, we'll just get ready now and we'll explore Udaipur a little more.
Yeah.
Chale?
Chalo.
Let's get ready. Okay, so we are all ready finally to explore day 2 in Udaipur.
Yay!
Chale?
Ciao.
Let's go.
Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so it's day 3 in Udaipur and basically the last day in this beauty. Not really happy about it, but okay, never mind. We are done with the breakfast and finally it's time for us to check out.
Don't feel like saying bye.
I don't want to go, but anyhow, we have got no choice, so we have to go. Let's
Go.
Okay, so we had some time to kill, so we came to Sajangarh Biological Park. Looks really interesting, and let's see what's in there for us. So we are at Gangor Ghat and it is just so serene, very, very beautiful. Let me just show you the view. Okay, so that's it for our travel to Udaipur and we are in the train now. We're gonna go back to our city. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and do let me know how do you like this vlog in comment section below so I can do more such travel vlogs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till we meet next, keep smiling. Bye bye.